So this is the potato bed. I got so much work out there. I'm just focusing on one thing at a time. It's so much to do out here. The borage is trying to take over my squashes right there, so I got to clear that. I have to harvest and process the Swiss chard. This bed needs to be cleared. Blah blah blah. So, anyway, this strawberry has. These are the new ones. They've worked themselves out. So, I need to harvest. I can't let them sit here because all they're going to do is work themselves into the bed. So we're going to pull them. They have some nice little crowns on them. I wanted to show you. If I really wanted to be real careful about it, I would dig them up. But I don't really care that much. To be honest with you, I need my space. So, and these are the white strawberry. Oh. Oh, look at that, look at that. So that one did good. So here, and then I'll work on that side later. And these, if I let these sit, are broccoli seeds, but they have to turn brown, and I don't think I have time for that. I need the space. But anyway, I'm going to finish doing this. And
we got phone numbers on it or anything?
All right, so I got the bed all nice and clear. Put some compost on top. Now, what seeds are we going to plant in this bed? So, I really only want one kind of bean. So, let's see. And I think I want blue like bush bean. So hopefully, I got these jade beans. These are pole bean. So you need to make sure you know. I'm sorry, I do that a lot. I need to complete my thought though. You need to make sure that you know what type of bean you're growing, whether they're bush bean, like what I'm growing here, or they're pole bean, like a climbing bean, because they will need to be trellised. The bush beans, they only get a few feet tall. And even though I do find that having something around the edge, because when they get top heavy, if you're not picking them, they will kind of just fall over. So, make sure you know what variety, pole or bush bean, that you're sowing. Blue like bush bean. So I'm hoping that will cover all of them. The jade beans, which I might wait. I don't want them all to be done at the same time. So I'm going to wait 2 weeks for those. But I do want the rattlesnake and the, ooh, tons of ants. Tons of ants. So that's what we're going to do first. The blue like bush beans. And these are the seeds that I said I was going to use. So you can come down here with me and see how I plant them. I'll just show you right quick. I had to change my gloves because, so I'm going to start from here, and I'm just really spacing them about 4 inches apart. And I believe, I cannot see, but you can see, but this is about 4 inches apart. So basically, I'm starting from here. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to start here, here. I don't want to start at the edge, so I'm going to start, I'm going to start right here. Yeah, I'm going to start right here. So basically, I'm going to put all these in here. And I'm just going to start. I'm going to put a bean here, 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 here. Hopefully, have enough to get to where I want to go. And here. And then I'll come over here and do like that and come down here and do like that here. And I'm doing it like this so I can see. Another way you could do it is just draw a line across to the other side, making sure you have a little soil pushed off to the side, and then you can go ahead and just drop your seeds according to the spacing of whatever you're growing. So this is just one way. That's another way that you could do it. It's probably actually easier than the way that I'm doing it, and maybe I'll show you in another video how to do it that way. Right, and I'm just putting one bean. They should germinate pretty good, so right, and then I'm just going to keep doing that until I'm done. Okay, I'm kind of upset. So this is where I got to. You can see that stick right there. So I got all the way here. So all of this is all to that hoop all the way here. I need one more pack. So I had 5 packs of 25. So I need 1 or at least 2 more packs. I'm kind of mad because I wanted this entire bed to be Blue Lake. I'm gonna go in the house and see if I can scratch up and find some more Blue Lake. Because I really, oh man. Because I don't think I'm going to plant anything on this side because my trellis and stuff is going to be over there. So from here to here, I'm just going to, from the stick right here to here, I'm going to plant this corn right here. That's what I'm going to do. I've got everything planted. And so basically what I'm going to do is just go by and tap it in. Just make sure it's covered. It don't have to be super deep, but just make sure it's all covered. It only takes a second to do it. And then I'm going to water it in. So I'm remembering that this space right here has nothing. Okay, you get the picture. Okay, so I'm all done. Just put the up. So I'm done with this bed. Feel good about it. I do need to clip the borage that's taking up my bed over here. Before I forget, before I move on to anything else, let me do this. Alright, so I don't want to disturb my actual plants, so I'm just going to cut them at the roots. And so I just want to make sure that's all that I have growing. So, which is not. Inside of here, you see there is a borage plant. There is 2. And there is another. You don't want the stuff to get big before you start tending to the stuff, or else it will take over. So, and don't forget the borage is prickly. We'll have a nice borage tea with these leaves. There's a ton of borage babies over here. And so I just want to make sure there's no little plants trying, no weeds trying to. This is my honey, this is my hunty. Okay? So these is all the little borage. They don't transplant well in any way. I use them as a medicine, so I'm gonna get out. Okay, don't start doing other stuff. There's a couple more pieces. And see, there's another plant over here that I got to protect from the borage monster. Well, no, I shouldn't say the borage monster, but you know what I'm saying. Before they get too crazy. You know what I'm saying? This is nice. Nice bed. Alright. This lets you know the beds need to be covered. Okay.
There ain't no bees flying in and out that hole. They all floating
Whoa.
around you.
Oh. Oh shit.
Yeah, they still going in and out of there.
Oh damn. I forgot that was there. I just got my butt all in there.
Yeah. I'm about to say, I'm looking and say, so they going in and out of there.
I just sit up here and had my butt all to the back of this beehive. Wasn't even paying attention. I hope I don't got no bees up my skirt. But anyway.
Leggings on. Is that you pulling all the cords?
Yeah, these were all around my plants. So.
As soon as I planted, they kind of wilted out.
Yeah, they don't transplant well, but they do come back if they're real, real little. So that bed is done. Okay, so I'm gonna process this today. We're gonna make some, oh, I need to make some tincture. Here, let me set this right here. Because I got other stuff that I gotta do. Anyway, my battery is about to run. It's about to die. So basically, I have to do this to all of the beds and wet them. Keep doing this till they're nice and moist. And I'm going to do those too. But right now, I'm just going to focus on this one. Let me show you this one. I already have some volunteer potatoes in it. Right there. So, let me finish this up. This is what the backyard looks like from this angle. That's the bed I just did. And there's the bees going in and out. I would love to get that in slow motion. Don't you think? That would be beautiful. Okay, so my camera died, but I did want to record these potatoes. And I just planted, oh, I need to get purple potatoes, and purple potatoes right here. So that's what they're looking like right there. I decided to insert this footage that I did a few years back since my battery died on the other one. So basically you want to fill your container halfway and then make sure your soil is already prepped. Space out your potatoes how you want to actually plant them. And then you're just going to, you can either cover them in about 3 to 4 inches of soil, or you can push them down 3 to 4 inches. And then you may or may not have to hill them. Now, the other day, hill them is just adding more soil as the potatoes grow. But I don't do that anymore because I don't have time for that. So what I usually do is fill the container with the soil, and then when I press them down into the soil, I just press them really deep, like 5 or 6 inches deep, and then it will take longer for them to come up out of the soil, but then that way I don't have to worry about hilling them and going back and forth and worry about all that. So but either way, and hilling them is just making sure that the potatoes have enough soil so that, because they grow upward, so that they don't get exposed to the air. And that's just really quick to show you how I did that. I did put too many potatoes in here. You want to give them enough space to grow. 5 to 8 potatoes per potato is what you should be expecting as a yield. And then you just water them in. I really don't want to come back here. I haven't been back here in a while. And I'm going to try not to get sidetracked. I need to come and show you this damn. I need to come and show you. Okay, don't get sidetracked. Let's see. Okay, not gonna get sidetracked. Alright. Keep going. Just keep going. Don't get sidetracked. Keep going. Oh shoot. Oh Oh my God, look at my corn. OMG. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, keep going this way. Go. Oh, look at the cat. Oh my God. Okay, come on, come on, come on. I came to show you the program. Oh my God. Yes. Oh God. Okay, I came to show y'all the progress. These today is 7/9. These were direct sold on 6/21. So this is what they're looking like today. All right. So I need to come in and do some weeding. A lot of weeding. It's a lot of crap growing in here. Oh, that's going to be very irritating. But I got to do it before they get too big. But so that's how they're doing. That's how they're looking. So where you see it's empty right there, I plan on putting something that can trellis, probably some cucumbers, and then some more squash up here to go over here. But these need to be getting trained to go over here. And I don't know what's up with them, but they keep falling off like they're not. Oh God, I gotta clear. Okay, look. And then the other thing that we planted on that day. Okay, I'm not going to get distracted. Don't get distracted. Oh my God, look at the peaches. Okay, come on, keep going. Oh, look at the peach. Oh, okay, keep. Oh, look at my potatoes. So these ones haven't germinated yet or sprouted or whatever. But these ones have. Let me hurry up and get this off of you. Oh, I have not been back here, y'all. This is crazy. So how long has it been since I've been back here? I got my little thing for the cat. Okay, so these are my majestic purple potatoes, and they look rain fab. Okay, these ones took off. I put 3 potatoes, as you can see, 3 potatoes, and then these ones, I don't know who they are. And then these are the volunteers that keep coming back. I did add a couple of little potatoes. These are looking rain fab. So these were also planted out on 6/21, and they are looking rain fab. So it is actually very cool. I don't know what they doing. I don't know what's going on with y'all. Anyway, oh, I see cucumbers. Oh, it's a jungle back here. It is a jungle. I have so much work to do. Okay, keep going. Look at my babies from that way. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Look at my freaking corn. Oh my God. Oh, you're so gorgeous. You're gorgeous, hon. Oh, it's time for. Oh, you want to come in the house with me? Yes, you do. Oh. Y'all ready to come in the house? Okay, tomorrow, because I got to get some footage of y'all. Can you wait till tomorrow? Stay pretty till tomorrow. And then I'm getting my first yellow one. OMG. But I got to come and get this. I got to get this shit. Okay, all right. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey.